Good morning, everyone. Welcome to English 1301. My name is Kathleen Bombeck. I'm your instructor, and I'm going to talk about a few things with the syllabus. You'll find the syllabus online on the left-hand menu bar where it says syllabus. There are two documents to the syllabus, Part 1 and Part 2. Part 1 is basically a description of what I require in the class. Part 2 gives you the course outline that all the instructors at the community college have to work off of, and also points out some other important information that you need to know. So basically 1301 is the first semester of freshman composition or writing, and we will be writing 4 papers, and then you will have a written final. So if you look at the syllabus, well, first thing to note, I'm sorry, on page 1, you'll notice that we don't have a separate book for this class. What we have is all of our book readings are online, and when you go into each assignment folder, you'll see that there's a folder called book readings, and those are the book readings that you do. I don't take up and grade the lessons in the book readings. Those are there in case you're having trouble understanding something. Then you're able to work the lesson until you do understand it. So that's for your benefit. So you will be graded on 4 papers, and each paper introduces a different genre of paper writing, a different method, different expectations, different rules to do it correctly. Plus you'll have a final. Reading quizzes and class assignments, mostly attendance, and I monitor attendance by seeing how often you're checking in on Blackboard. I recommend checking in maybe 3 times a week as a minimum. That's worth 10% of your final grade. The final exam is 10%, and each of the papers is worth 20% each. That totals 100%. In the syllabus, you'll have a short description of each of the papers. Now, obviously, all of this is up on Blackboard, and you clearly have gotten into Blackboard if you're seeing this video. I use SafeAssign, which is a plagiarism checker. Sometimes people have gotten into the habit of copying sentences from the internet and then changing a few words and writing it down as though it was their own sentence, and that's not acceptable. That's still considered to be plagiarism. I can't help you learn to write if you do plagiarize your assignments, so I'm pretty severe about that. If an assignment has plagiarism in it, I will give it a 0, and then the student has to rewrite it with no plagiarism in it in order to earn an actual grade. Okay, I only take assignments through Blackboard. I don't take them through email. And I don't take hard copies. They have to be uploaded into Blackboard. I do allow rewrites until we get to the end of the semester when there is no opportunity for rewrites. So for your first 3 papers, you can rewrite them for higher grades and resubmit them. If you need any academic help, I'm always available, and we have a writing center, which is a very important place to help students with their writing. You're welcome to come by during my office hours. I realize some of you won't be able to. You're out of town or somewhere where you're not located close. But I know some of you are probably taking face-to-face classes on campus. I am located at the Valle Verde campus. My office number and office hours are on the syllabus. Let's see. If you are an incoming freshman, you are part of the Early Alert program, which means that I have to enter your attendance every week, and you will be contacted by the program if you're failing to follow through. And obviously, I'll be looking at your logins to see when and if you've logged in before I mark that. A lot of what I say in the syllabus reflects the nature of an online class. Your documents need to be saved as Word files. That's the best option. Go to the web link section and open up the Grammarly flyer and set up a Grammarly account using your college email address and your college password, and you will get a free Grammarly account, premium version, to run your papers or any written assignments through, to get a lot of help with some of the basics, punctuation, grammar, spelling, etc. So I recommend that you do that right away. You have a calendar, and the calendar, let's see how we do this. Looks like this, and you have all your due dates identified on the calendar. So I will be sending out reminders on due dates. If you've gotten this far, you've gotten into Blackboard, but if you have any problems or issues, let me know. And I look forward to working with you this semester, and I hope we have a good semester together. Thank you.